Troubleshoot Permissions. Scenario: you have received a help desk ticket to assist a user with folder access and misconfigured permissions. You will assess each issue and resolve it as needed. The user reports that they recently transferred to the facilities group that handles building maintenance, but they don't have access to the shared directory. Additionally, they report that no facilities managers have access to the manager's folder. You will log in as the affected user, Jan Dallas, and troubleshoot and resolve the issues. Objectives: this activity is designed to test your understanding of and ability to apply content examples in the following CompTIA Linux Plus objectives. For point 4, given a scenario, analyze and troubleshoot user access and file permissions. Access the shared facilities directory. Perhaps the best method of troubleshooting permissions is to log in as, or switch to, the user in question to experience the problems firsthand. Switch to the Dallas account. Attempt to access the /opt/facilities directory. You receive a permission denied message when attempting to access the /opt/facilities directory. Check your group permissions. Hint: click here if you check your group permissions. Hint: click here if you need assistance with the command syntax. Groups. You see that Dallas is a member of the facilities and the managers groups. Check the /opt/directory permissions. Hint: click here if you need assistance with the command syntax. /opt/facilities. The directory permissions reveal that the group name is Facilities and Dallas is a member of the Facilities group. This is an example of how capitalization matters in Linux. Log out as Dallas returning to the root account. Hint: click here if you need assistance with the command syntax. Exit. Confirm that you checked Dallas group memberships. Fix the group membership for Dallas. Change Dallas Facilities Group to Facilities. Hint: click here. Switch to the Dallas account. Hint: click here if you need assistance with the command syntax. Sue Dallas. Test Dallas group membership by accessing the /ops/facilities directory. Hint: click here if you need assistance with the command syntax. cd/ops/facilities. The Dallas account now has access to the /ops/facilities directory. Display a directory listing of the /ops/facilities directory. DD the following entry into the building 1 TXT file. Clean kitchen 1 grease trap. Hint. Click here if you need assistance. You receive a permission denied message when attempting to write to the building 1.txt file. Check file permissions. Hint. Click here if you need assistance with the command syntax. LSL. You observe that all files are owned by the user and group root and have no access granted to others. Log out as Dallas returning to the root account. Hint. Click here if you need assistance with the command syntax. Exit. Confirm that you attempted to write to the Troubleshoot permissions. Scenario. Correct file permissions. Change group ownership of all files in /opt/facilities to the facilities group. Hint. Click here if you need assistance with the command. Troubleshoot permissions. Scenario. Troubleshoot permissions. Scenario. You have received a Troubleshoot permissions. Scenario. Nine directory permissions for managers. Jan Dallas colleagues have also reported that they cannot access the manager's directory, a subdirectory of /ops/facilities. You may remain logged in as the root user for this part of the lab exercise. Check the directory permissions for the /ops/facilities/managers directory. Hint: click here if you need assistance with the command syntax. ls ld/ops/facilities/managers. You observe that the facilities group is the group owner of the managers directory. However, the managers directory only has read and write permissions set for the facilities group. Therefore, The facilities group members cannot CD into the directory, which requires execute permission. Troubleshoot permissions. Scenario. Grant execute permission to the /ops/facilities/managers directory. Troubleshoot. Troubleshoot permissions. Scenario. You have received a help desk ticket to assist a user with folder access and Review Lab. Answer the following comprehensive questions to ensure that you recognize the importance of the activity steps and the uses for the information you have learned. Why did the access problem centered around the facilities group in the first activity occur? The user wasn't a group member. Because Linux is case sensitive. Due to a spelling error in the group name. The group did not exist. Which of the following best represents the correct command to change the group associated with the /ops/projects directory to marketing? chgrp r/ops/projects marketing. chgrp r marketing/ops/projects. Group mod and marketing/ops/projects. chgrp r marketing/ops/projects. Which of the following best represents the correct command to add the W and X permissions to the group and others for the /ops/projects directory? Chmod go plus WX/ops/projects. Chmod 777/ops/projects. Chmod wx plus go/opt/projects. Chmod/opt/projects go plus wx. 95% tasks complete. Previous submit.